Well, you don't get to see this kind of view every morning, do you?
That's for sure, Dean. It's beautiful up here right now.
Oh, it really is. Hi, I'm Dean Johnson from the TV series Home Time. I'm here with Dave Millard from Ludowici, and you guys just finished up a project here. You've been at quite a while.
Yes, we are, Dean. We've been up here now for about 3 years. We've been installing Ludowici's Quarry tile on a couple different applications on the state capitol. Quarry tile is a high-quality terracotta clay product designed for flooring. The piece I'm holding here is the Promenade 6x9, and it's 3/4 inches thick.
And what are the two applications you're doing up here on the state capitol?
Well, the first one, Dean, is an application that we're actually standing on right now, whereby we use Ludowici's 6" by 9" quarry tile, and we would send it to their concrete plant where they built a mold. And the tiles would go into the mold upside down. The concrete would be poured on top to create this 19" by 24" paver, upon which here at the job site it got set on the pedestal.
So all the concrete you see in between the pavers, that's all done at the factory. All you guys do once it gets out to site is just set it into position.
That's correct. The concrete paver just gets set on the pedestals.
What's the other application?
The other application is simply placing the paver directly into a mortar bed on top of the waterproofing.
And again, this comes in a lot of different colors, right?
It does, Dean. It comes in the whole line of standard colors and custom colors.
And also in a lot of different shapes and forms.
It does, Dean. There's basically 4 different sizes. There's the 6" by 9" Promenade tile, which I have in my hand here. The 9" by 9", those are both 3/4 inches thick. And then for the more creative style, there's also a Prominence product and a Valencia product.
And being a flooring product, I would assume there's probably some accessory pieces to go along with it?
There are. For stairs, you can get a bullnose piece, a stair tread piece, and a cover base.
Just the way they did it way back when, right?
That's correct, Dean. They started building the building in 1896 and finished it in 1905.